Hello children, now 5th class mathematics 12th chapter time part 3. So in previous class too we are learning exercise problems and first bit also we are learning. So now we are discussing now second bit. Write the following dates using numbers. So here giving numbers. See here exercise. Second bit. Take out your notebook children, write properly. Listen first, write the following dates using numbers. Dates using numbers. See here dates given, so we are write the numbers. First one, A1, 19th May 1978. So the date will given. So write the number it will be asked. Which date? First of all, whenever we are writing date, so first of all, which one we are writing? Date. Yes? 19. So then we are writing month. Which month? So May. May which month? January, February, March, April, May. 5th month. 5. So which year? 1978. So if you understand, see here. 19/5/1978. So 19 is the day, 5 it means month. This is year. So I wrote here simply day, month, year. So for your understanding purpose only I wrote this. Okay. So next one, put B1. 14th November. 14th November. So November in which month? November which month children? November which month? Do you know? See here. 14th. First of all, we are writing the date. Then write month number. So in which month? November 11th month. 2005. Here. Understand all of you? The next one, C1. 25th December. Learn children compulsory spellings. One spellings. 25th December 2014. See here, 25th date. December 12. December means 12th month only? Yes. 2014. So you will write children. Write all of you. Your notebook to write and textbook to also you will write children. Write properly. The next question write in your notebook. Write the next question children. Next question write. Okay. Next one. So what will give in sum? Completed? So notebook to also you will write children. Textbook to also you will write. Notebook to also you will write. So next one. See. Whether these dates are possible, why? Hard one. Whether these dates are possible, why? Start with whether these dates are possible these dates are possible. Why? So first one, 33/3/2010. 33/3/2010. So in 33 date only given here. 33 date will possible. See on the cube. 33 date will possible. See here. So how many days are there in a month? 30 days and 31 days. So in February month, 28 days, some years, some leap year only, 29 days. But not 33 days. Yes or no? So whether these dates are possible, why? So these dates are not possible. Yes. So why? In the given date, write this. Given date, this is answer. In the given date, $33 only given. Yes or no? Here date 33 given. Here 33 date given. 33 days. So how many days are there here? Sorry, days. Sorry children, there and before I wrote this like only 19. So before problem, see first. So that one you will drop this. So here month, and here only explaining. See here days. Okay. See here. There 33 days are there. How many days are there? 33 days are there. But it is impossible. But it is impossible. Impossible. That is impossible. Why? There are 33 days only having. How many days having? So write on the cube. Sorry children. Impossible. But it is impossible because a month have how many days? A month have 30 days. 31 days. But not 33 days only. In the given date, 33 are there, but it is impossible because a month have 30 days or 31 days. Okay, you will write this. So next one, 30 and 13, 2010. In the given date here, 30 date only given. So the date will be possible. But here month you are observed children and second one. See here. So next one, D1, 30, 2010. So in the given date, what will given? The given date, 30 and 13 months. How many months are given? 13 months. 13 months. Months are there, but it is impossible because children, because a year has 12 months. 12 months. A year has how many months? 12 months. So if you understand, in the given date, 13, see here, 13 months only given. 13 months are there in that year? No. So are there, but it is impossible. So because a year has 12 months. So you write children this also. Then write fourth question children in your notebook too. Fourth question write. Write all of you fourth one. So all of you understand this? Understand? So fourth one, Padma Priya wanted to purchase some packed food on 22nd February 2013. It is mentioned that food packet should be consumed within 180 days from manufacturing date. The date of manufacture on the food packet was 31/8/2012. Whether Padma Priya purchases the food packet. See here. So here do you know children? Whenever we are buying some food items, so whatever things we are buying, so they are having manufacture date and expiry date. So some packets do not having expiry date, but manufacture date only given, some years or months are only given. Yes or no? See here. So are you completed with this? Okay. So fourth question write children, I am not writing question. So you only write the question. So in your textbook having exercise problems 113 page. 113. See it. Padma Priya. So fourth one solution. Padma Priya. What she purchased? Padma Priya. will purchase, Padmapriya will purchase some packets, some packet food, some packet food, packet food on the date, which date given there? Sorry, you have see in your textbook too, which date to given? So 22 February 2013. 22 February means second month. February 2013. See here. Padmapriya will purchase some packet food on the date. Which date? 22 date, February month 2013. The date. So there manufacture date also is there. The date, manufacture, the date of manufacture, on the packet. So which date there? Manufacture date. They are given manufacture date. So which date given manufacture to? 31/8/2012. 31/8/2012. 2012 only given. So which date given? 31/8/2012. So here total completed days. So how many days will be completed? And 2012 8th month to 2013 second month. So you observe children. See here, I am giving some easy way. So you will calculate how many days having. So I am showing. So here 8th month to 9th month 1 month, 9th month to 10th month 2 months. How many months having here? February to. So here 2012 only. So here 2013. 8th month, 9th month, 10th, 11th, 1st, 2nd. But here some days will yes only. Yes or no? So total how many days having? Total how many days having children? Wait few seconds. See here total 175 days. You will calculate children. 175 days. So the food packet set. They are having on the food packet too. So how many months are men having? 18 months. How many months are there? Sorry, how many days will given? It should be consumed by consumer 180 days. Consumer within 180 days. 180 days of 180 days of manufacture See here. So S. The Priya could purchase food. Purchase food. See, right all of you. So Padma Priya will purchase some packet food on the date. So which date there? Purchased. So 22/2/2013. So in that packet 180 days only having in that packet to manufacture date. So that means 175 days only. So Priya could purchase food. So right all of you. So next problem or next class I will explaining children. Okay, bye all of you.